Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview in the Swim 28-foot round above-ground swimming pool winter cover. The 28-foot round pro-strength polar winter pool cover features a triple laminated super tight inner scrim that provides lasting winter protection from snow, ice, algae, and even twigs. The round winter pool cover helps block anything from getting into your pool water over the winter, so spring opening is much easier and quicker. Heat-welded seams prevent heavy rains and standing water from snow melt from entering your pool. Its navy blue outer layer helps melt snow to reduce stress on the round winter pool cover, while a black underside prevents sunlight from reaching the water, which reduces the chance of algae growing in your pool chemical-depleted water. The cover is UV protected, so it won't fade or break down from the sun. Product benefits: reduces the chance of algae growing in your pool chemical-depleted water. UV protected, so it won't fade or break down from the sun. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.